One day I was bored, like painfully bored, so I decided to go for a walk because that clearly fixes everything. After a few steps, I found a toy factory. Yeah, totally normal, nothing suspicious at all. So I went inside because I make excellent life decisions. And then I fought some monsters. Don't ask how, I'm still confused too. Even though I had fun to blow it up. Almost, yeah. Average day. And then I came back home, but not empty-handed. Because I got this. Hey fellows, Cardboard Boy here. So in this video, I am going to make grab pack from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. Let's make one.